Hey guys, welcome back to Sealing Close TV. Today I'm going to be opening a DIY slime kitchen. So here it is. Here's the box. Going on to the back, it looks good. Yeah, like here's the slime kitchen, how it looks. It's not going to have these. Yeah, it's not going to have these, or when it's done, it's maybe going to look like that. And we did this already. Let's get started. What do you open it from? I don't know. What are you opening it? So, here's my slime kitchen. It's not really a kitchen, but to me it's a kitchen. It has like an oven. Yeah, it has an oven, and it has 3 glitter pockets, whatever they are. And these, yeah, we got like 1,000 of these, but I'm only gonna eat 3, so so we have this color, these colors, they match because they're the same color, and we got these colors, they match, and we have these colors, they match. So we got all 3 of them, but I want to make this, and where's the other one? Where's the other one? This one. Yeah, I want to make these for 3 colors. So that's what I really want to do. And I got a mixer. We're gonna, when we're done, we're gonna put our not really slime in here, and we're gonna close it all up, and then we're gonna mix it. And here is my what are these? The slime pots. And I have 2 spoons and 1 knife. And this is for extra glitter. And we have extra glitter right here. All right, so let's get started, guys. We got the scissors. Don't let it cut your hand. I don't want to do this. I mean, I'm scared. Wait, how do you do this? How do you do this? Oh. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. I make a mess. This is gonna make a big mess. 1, 2, 3! Whoa, I wanna touch it, but I can't. Can I touch it? Gosh, I see something pink. What's this? So what do I have to do again? Brain. Thinking. Oh, water. So, gotta get the water. Be careful. Be very careful. I never did this before. Yeah, this is my first time kitchen. I never got to open it, but today I did. Yeah, this week we were so busy. Okay, I'm gonna do it. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I can't do this. Where's the line? Oh, right there. Done. Go. So now I'm gonna put it down. I'm gonna put the mixer. So I'm this, and I'm gonna mix it for 2 minutes. I want to use like 4 different colors, but there's like only 3 glitter thingies. 3 glitter thingies, whatever they are. I can't mix it for 2 minutes. Like, this is keep doing this. I want to open it, but wait, I'm gonna open it and see how it's doing. Never mind, because I don't want it to. It's gonna make a mess. So at school, I've been learning lots of different things. So I've been learning, in math, I've been learning adding and subtracting to 5, 10, 8, and 7, and that's all. And in reading, I've been learning easy things. We have to take this really long test. Yeah, it takes long. A really long test. Yeah, a really Now I'm gonna open it and see how it's doing. Oh my gosh. What did I do? I'm gonna let it sit for 5 minutes. Boring, boring, boring. So the next time I'm gonna put 2 different slime colors in my mixer. Yeah. 2 different slimes and colors are gonna be this. I'm gonna use these different colors. I wanna see what type of colors here. How do you get this off? 1, 2, 3, go! This? Tell me in the comments this good. Maybe it's gonna get on my hand. Yeah, it's gonna maybe get on my hands. Let's go! Really stink. Last one, I did it without a camera. And it was stink. It was this stink. Yeah, this is really stink. Anyways, pink is my sister's favorite color. Yeah, I like pink. I like yellow, pink, and purple. And white. Oh my gosh. It's so slimy. Guess I need to do a little more. That's a lot of touching. I better not do that. How do you do this? So I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna play with it. Oh yeah, I should do that. I should maybe do. Seriously. So this was a fail. Yeah, it stinks too. It's really stink. And I'm gonna try another one with 2 colors mixed up together. Why? Why does this have to be so disgusting? Wait, I got another way. Put this here and do this. Easy. Bam! I still see a little bit of powder in there because I did not mix it. That's why it's a fail. Right, guys? Right! Drum roll, please. I got it in! So I'm going to be opening this with my cute purple scissors. I'm gonna get all of it in there. I'm gonna mix it with this pink one. That has lots of pink on it, so I can't do it. So I'm gonna put all my garbage to the side. Oopsies! Oopsies! So, my second color. One more time. Done. Got it. Bam! Which side? This? No. This, right? Yeah, this. I opened it like 3 different sides. This is so beautiful, beautiful. Now I'm gonna put these 2 colors. The gold. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, just a little bit. No, green. Wait, what's this color? This. No. One more color, right? Oh, no. So, mixing? No. Water? Yes. Which line? This line? Yeah, this line. Done. Bam. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Still some pink on it, but doesn't matter, right, guys? Is it still open? I wonder if it's still open, but I don't matter. I'm gonna keep stirring it because it stirred a lot. I mean, Seriously. It's gonna throw backwards now. I still see some powder. Guess gonna keep mixing. La la la. I did not do that. I did not. Please don't judge me. Please don't. I did not. This is going so good. This is going so good. Don't judge me. Please don't. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Which is me. Not again. So this was a fail. I don't really like it because it's a fail. But this one, I tested it out and it was a fail. Oh, this was not a fail. It's not. It's not. It's not a fail. It's not. It's not a fail. Yeah, I'm gonna keep playing with it and maybe it's not gonna be a fail anymore. Whoa, it feels so good. On the next day, I think it's gonna be even better. So then, every time I have slime, the next day I go and play with it right now. Cause I usually do it next to my dresser. I mean, next to my nightlight because I just want to do it because so I just don't forget where it is. Like, cause my mom will maybe hide it. This is a lot better than the other one. Last time it was just rocks. To me, it was rocks. I'm gonna do the thing that you can do with slime. I can do it one more time. And soft. And this. No more times. I'm just gonna put it in here. So I'm gonna check on this one now. I'm so excited. I feel some rocks in here. Maybe it's because it's not that slimy, but my mom and my dad think it's burgers, but it's not. Sticky slime, they think it's burgers, but not. It's slime. But I guess this one's a fail. Wait, it's not fail. It's a fail. It's not. This one's, that one, it's pretty. It's a pretty color. And it doesn't stick to your hands, but this one, it probably sticks. Yeah, this one, it sticks to your hands a little bit in slime. You can just do this, and it just gets on your hands so easily. Yeah, that's what I like about slime. Alright, guys, I'm done with my DIY slime kitchen. Man, that was a hashtag fail. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.